Beautiful view of the ocean. Where's Peanut? Peanut! There she is. Peanut! There she goes. She thinks she can catch a bird. Wishful thinking. And the forest. And who's that? Katie! Hi. And Mike. Here, Peanut. Hi. Come in for a check-in. So pretty.